Sometimes when it's raining or cold, we have the door shut and we can't tell when someone is here. So today, my husband and I are going to install this radar motion alarm system to resolve that issue. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the box. We're going to demo it for you and give you our honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are our own. In the box, you're going to have the two sides for the motion detector. So this is your interior and this is your exterior. You're going to have the charging cable, the mount for the exterior one. You're also going to have a sticky pad if you don't want to use the actual screw hardware that they provide to you, and you're going to have the instruction manual. The first thing I'm going to do is charge both of these fully. You only get one cord, so I'm going to charge them separately. Once this is done, I'll plug it into this one. They do not provide a cube, so this is a regular USB cord. You're going to need a cube, or you're going to need just a USB port. Once they're charged, you do have to pair these. Now, I fumbled through the pairing process, but it is very easy. You have to hold the power button down on both the receiver and the detector for 3 seconds to make sure they're on. Then you're going to click the channel that you want the detector to be on. In my case, it's going to be number 1. Then press the pairing buttons on both of these at the same time. This is where I messed up. You have to push the pairing buttons at the same time, not sequentially. The blue light on the detector will be solid when you have successfully paired the device. As you can see here, mine is still flashing. It is not successfully paired yet. I did eventually get it correct though, but it happened off camera. The mount is really easy to install. I took this back part off with the ball to make it easier to screw it into a tree. And then my husband installed it on this tree near the end of our driveway. At this point, I had not set the range, so he was in the street and it was going off. I want this to go off while we're in the camper. We're about 500 feet from the street now. Okay, so this won't stop going off because the wind is moving the plants. So we're going to go up here and hit the probe set button to set the area where it will go off at. To test this, I went into the street where my husband was when it was going off, and it did not go off for me until I got into the zone that I had set just a minute ago. If you have a long driveway like us, this motion sensor is a great option.